So I've put her rug on already, and they're getting their bucket feed before they go out. She's still coughing a little bit, but the cough is generally not as harsh and violent as it was from what I've noticed just now. There's still a little bit of phlegm, but nowhere near as much as what I found, I think was it yesterday or the day before yesterday or so. Come here and change, come here and change. Good. Trot, trot, trot. Come here and change. Good. Come here and change. And come here and change. Come. And one more. Come on, trot, trot. Come here and change. Can you do right front in, Heidi? Right front in, come. Come, right front in. Yeah, come. Very good. Yeah.